Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Shelley and this is Train Karate with Shelley. So guys, please, I keep on reminding you, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, give us a like, share, comment, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. So, we're still continuing learning our blocks, and I remind you, block is uke. So today we're going to do Soto Uke in our three usual aspects of learning. I explain, I demonstrate, and we do it together. Right, guys? Right. So, Soto Uke, this is when someone is coming, maybe your opponent is coming through your side, and then you need to block and remove that object completely. So, now, step number 2, let's do it. I demonstrate, then we follow. Now, I need you to extend your left arm in making a fist. Then the right arm, you remember how you were trying to make our fist? So I need it held up right there. Just make sure that it's just, you see, as you can see, there, in a fist and folded. The left arm is extended. Now I want you to swing your arm as I retract my left arm. So I'll swing my right and retract my left, and then I'll block using my right arm. So this is how we're doing it. See, from there, again, there, good. So from there, so this goes back to Hikite. From there, we come and block. Remember, I'm not bringing my arm like this. I'm not just bringing it, and I'm not blocking straight. Yes? From there, I'm twisting. That's why I folded this part of the hand, so that you can be able to see. From there, 1. So I need your hip to move, retract your left, then block with your right. Now, I want us to block with the left. So extend the right, place your left up there. So from there, remember we are swinging with our hip, not any other part of the body, and then we block. Remember to twist as we block. So we go. Good. Good. So I now show you using my left where I'm twisting. So from there, 1. See, it's simple and very enjoyable. It's actually the best block. From there, 1. Go. 2. Are we doing it together, guys? I hope so. So let's go. Good. So I hope you learned something, guys. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, share, comment, like, and give us a thumbs up as we're going to promote this channel. And let's learn karate together. I said it's a step-by-step learning process. So thank you, guys. Catch you in the next video. Domo arigato.